Recently, I went grocery shopping for sugar-free foods, as I gave up sugar, a life-changing decision. While I've enjoyed the benefits, cravings still creep in. Wandering the aisles, I was shocked to find most products contained added sugar, even in items like mayonnaise, ketchup, salad dressings, yogurt, and peanut butter. Frustrated by the lack of options, I left empty-handed and went to the farmer's market instead. This experience opened my eyes. Many foods labeled healthy are anything but. They often contain ingredients linked to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Here are 7 common offenders and healthier alternatives. 1. Tea bags. Some tea bags release microplastics when steeped in hot water, contributing to inflammation and disease. Solution: use loose leaf tea with a stainless steel strainer. 2. Canola oil. When heated, it produces harmful chemicals and often comes from GMO crops. Solution: use extra virgin olive oil for low heat or avocado oil for high heat cooking. 3. Pre-shredded cheese, often made with chemicals instead of real milk. These products lack nutrients and are high in sodium. Solution: buy a block of real cheese and shred it yourself. 4. Fruit juice. Even 100% juice lacks fiber and is a sugar bomb. Solution: eat whole fruits for natural fiber and slower sugar absorption. 5. BPA-lined cans. BPA in can linings can seep into food, causing hormonal issues and cancer risks. Solution: choose BPA-free cans or fresh and frozen alternatives. 6. Breakfast cereals. These are often loaded with sugar, artificial ingredients, and tiny serving sizes. Solution: switch to oatmeal or homemade granola with fresh fruit. 7. Ice cream. Store-bought ice creams contain additives like carrageenan, which can irritate the gut and increase inflammation. Solution: make homemade ice cream with frozen bananas and almond milk. Small changes in your diet can significantly improve your health. What do you think? Let me know in the comments and share this with someone who might benefit.